thought it's about time I gave you a bit of an update what we're doing with the showroom for those of you that haven't had a chance to get down. We last did an update at about Christmas and loads has changed since then, absolutely loads. Downstairs. So this is what we've done. It's not fully finished, but the carpet tiling in the main is done. We've got around about 20 bikes down here. This is our service desk, which is still in build at the moment. But as you can see, we've got all your fast moving bits. If you come in for MOT or a service and you need a part, the chances are we've got the brake pads that you need, we've got the fork seals that you need, we've got the wheel bearings that you need. If you do your own servicing, we've got oil and air filters for most models. We've also got the oils if you want to do your own servicing. We've got 2-stroke oil, we've got 4-stroke oil in big bottles as well. Obviously we've also got loads of security. This cabinet is going to be full of things that you might not know that we do. So things like quick shifters, rear sets, all that sort of stuff. And then this is the clothing section, getting ready for a huge delivery, we are told, tomorrow. So we won't have the airbag stuff in for a few weeks, but apparently we've got a huge delivery coming tomorrow. All the helmet stands are in, although we're still missing some helmets. So we now have the complete range of compact STs. We've got a couple of K6s in, the new K5s and the new K3s. Still got about 6 or 7 Arise on discount from last year. Got 4 of the RX-7Vs in, still missing 2. And hopefully we'll have our Tour X4s in tomorrow. We've got a really nice seating area, so if you come in for an MOT or tyres or a service and you can't get away and you want to wait, a really comfy seating area with a coffee machine. We've got a TV with an Xbox and loads of magazines, or just internet surf. Something we're really excited about is our workshop. So we have nothing to hide. If you're here, you can see what's going on in the workshop at all times. And this is going to be the MOT viewing area. All the MOT equipment now is installed. We've got all the lines marked out. So we're just waiting now for DVSA to come in and sign us off. We've done loads and loads of building work in here over the last couple of weeks. Hopefully we'll have the MOT station up and running, hopefully by end of February. And then upstairs, it's looking a bit empty now. We've got about 10 bikes arriving over the next couple of days. But you get an idea now of the kind of space that's in here. We can get up to 60 bikes up here. We've only got about 20 at the moment, but when all the extra ones come this week, this is where they'll come to. That's our photo booth from the old place, and that's going to be installed there. And we've actually done a deal to be a City main dealer, City Boots, and the City Boots are going to be up here. And then we've still got a carpet upstairs properly, and then all the artwork from the old showroom is going to be on this wall. We're going to have bikes running right down to the window along that wall, and also bikes running all the way along there as well. So like I said, we've been doing loads. 7 days a week, early starts, late finishes, and we're going to be carrying on till April. So that's our deadline. Our deadline is April the 17th, to have everything completely finished by then. So if you get a chance, pop down. Hopefully we'll have the clothing that you need, or the MOT station will be live, or just come in for a coffee. Cheers.